Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Joy May and I'm doing a video. This is going to be a sweet onion teriyaki chicken sandwich, Subway sandwich, but we're gonna call it velvet sandwich. Ooh, baby, that is strong. Anyway, so can you see? You might have to bring it on this side so you can see. So yeah, y'all, we're making sweet onion teriyaki chicken sandwiches from, I got the idea from Subway. Subway is mad expensive. Can you see my eyes? I'm crying, y'all. But anyway, here we go. I hope y'all enjoy the video. I'm trying to get back into vlogging, y'all. So enjoy the video. Bye, y'all. Okay, y'all, we got Dejanay over there. She's pulling the rest of the chicken off of the rotisserie chicken that we got last night. I made some chicken Alfredo. And in the pot, you guys already seen that in the beginning of the video. So to help this stretch a little bit, we're gonna just throw the rest of the rotisserie chicken in there. And then we're gonna throw our sweet onion teriyaki sauce in the pan. Just to heat everything through. We'll have lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and olives if they want it. I was gonna get, this is just a little small how many ounces is this? 2.25 ounce can of sliced olives. I was gonna get pepperoncinis, but I don't think any of my kids eat that, so we just got what I usually get on my sandwich, and then mayonnaise, mustard, that type of thing on there. And I'm probably gonna, I wanna really toast the buns, but we'll see. So I just emptied the olives into this container right here. And dinner is almost done. Oh, and then I got chips to go on the side. No, not that part. What is that? What?
What is that?
Nothing. She gonna get all the chicken off of there, y'all. I told her to get every bit of that chicken off of there. So I'll be back in a little bit when I'm putting these sandwiches together.
Want the skin in it?
This is probably gonna be a quick video, but I'm back, y'all. So yeah. Deja, you wanna say anything?
I'm gonna eat the skin.
Ew, disgusting. Bye, y'all.
I think it's done.
You got some with some skin on it.
Mom.
Hold it. It is upstairs, because don't nobody want that. Ew. Don't nobody want gristle in their food. Dad, you put it. Huh? Yeah, because you technically in it. Can you see in it? Mmm. Oh my God. Huh? One what? No. Come on, Marshawn. Come, stop, Deja.
No tomatoes, no onions.
You gotta have tomato. You gotta have some type of
No.
vegetable.
Okay, give me onions, not tomatoes.
You want cheese?
Mhm.
Oh. Keep it going. I can edit it out. And then when I'm done, I need to go in and come out so it could be my thing for TikTok. But anyway, you want cheese,
Mhm.
lettuce,
Mhm.
do cheese. Oops, let's do your cheese here. Lettuce,
Mhm.
onions,
Yeah.
onions. Is that enough lettuce?
Mhm.
Onions.
That's enough. Mom.
Boom, boom. Salt, pepper.
Ew. Yeah.
Salt. Cucumbers?
No.
No cucumbers.
Mm-mm.
Do you want olives?
Yeah. Tinka, you're making your...
Some more sweet chili sauce?
No.
You don't want a more sweet onion? No? Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me pause it. Girl, you better hold it right. Dang. It's all falling apart.
A big mouth.
Oh my gosh, stop recording. My braces coming out.
Oh, your what?
My braces.